Looks pretty cozy. What's she doing in here?
Oh, we're installing a new light. It's kind of dark. You can see. Safety squints. Ah!
Yeah, so the old Doosan comes with one light on the left side here, which means not much comes from the right. And that's just unacceptable, isn't it, Mark?
It's very unacceptable.
Anyways, Mark found this very nice CNC approved light. It's got an IP67 or IP69 rating?
67.
67, IP67.
Thanks, boy.
This is about to be the best kept secret by MTS. Polyurethane coil, like garden hose from, I don't know, some garden hose company in Oregon. It's a little too short. Mark says it's a little too short, but you know what?
Used to hearing that, aren't you, bud?
Oh gosh. Well, I was gonna put this one on YouTube, but it's not. Thanks, world. Yeah. It's been quite a busy day, hasn't it, Mark? We got a whole bunch of work rolled in today, so we're avoiding that by putting lights on the machine.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Why would you work and make money when you could just play with your toys and upgrade them?
The conveyor belt, we're still trying to figure this thing out because you can like set the speed, but as soon as the controller tells it to turn on, it jumps back to the other speed.
Oh, hey, I got an 80-page PDF on how to use that tiny little control because there's like 100 features, I guess, on it. But I have 80 pages to read through to figure out how to use it.
Yeah.
I hate reading, so that's gonna be great.
Yeah, and apparently we had to like take the cover off to find the serial number. In order to get our 80-page document, you need the secret code, which is FGA 103/D4G63A4ULTT. So if anyone else wants that document, I guess. I don't know. There's a cover for it. Sorry. I'm gonna go back to work.
Good, would you?
This. Oh, quick before I walk away, this little doohickey, the oil skimmer, Mark figured it out, but oil wasn't draining down into here. It was kind of just like perpetually dripping and never doing that, but apparently this nut right here, like screws up and down, and so we figured you have to adjust the level of the water on the right to get this higher, and so yeah. Now it looks like it's dripping. Just in case anyone else, you know.
It's getting rid of all the glue.
Yeah, I would stick my finger in that, but it's like super gross.
Oh, I will.
Mark loves just
that.
all that stuff was
You
in
want
the
a suckle?
coolant. Oh god,
You
no,
want
I'm staying away from that. Got a cool, quick project from a farm right here. These two ends, completely mangled, like bent way the heck over. So simply, yeah, cut those off. Bend these up, plasma cut them. Yeah. Anyways, Mark's got his light mounted and I wired it up. I was gonna show what I did over there. This is not a step, Mark. Got our MTS Primo RO water tank as a stepping stool. Here's the wire for the lights. It came over here. You can tell right where I did my fine job right there. It's not actually good. But I got my soldering gun from, 1965. Works pretty well. But this wire snakes over there to that light. Which, I'll show you where we mounted it. It was in a pretty good spot, I think. These things were just metal, like on that side. So I think I'm gonna buy some plastic, cut it out, put it right here. That'll let a lot more light into the machine as well. But, oh, I guess you saw us putting screws in it, but yeah, it's right there. Which, yeah, definitely lights up this side of the machine a ton. Can't get far enough away. I think that light up there is actually brighter, and I think Mark does too.
Which one?
That one.
You think it is?
It's brighter.
Yeah, I agree. That's okay.
Maybe this one just hits less stuff.
I don't know, but it certainly helps. That's all I got to
Yeah,
say.
it helps, and it doesn't blast light into my eyes, which I didn't want if it was like in that corner, but it's perfect. Yay! We would have mounted it farther forward, but the door, like the ceiling is part of the door, and so we don't want a cord hanging and flapping around. But anyways, yeah, lights back there.
Oh, hey, did you check out this fancy grommet thing I put in the hole that I drilled? Looks like a professional did it.
No, I didn't. So that's the cord for the original light, goes through that hole right there, and then this yellow, bright yellow wire right in front of the spindle. Oh look, he's getting the wire ties on it. That's pretty cool. You found that grommet? Yeah. Huh. Yeah, it looks great. There's a view from above. It's pretty bright. There's a little bit of a shadow right there, but obviously if the table moves, it's going to shine right there, so. Very, very nice.